Alright, so y'all, good evening, and here we are, another losing trade we have just taken, and it is a very pretty good loss that I have taken today, so let's dive into it and let's see what we got over here. Right, so coming into the day, as we were expecting, this was Monday to today's Tuesday. Okay, so the Monday we were expecting this daily fair value gap, right? And we were also respecting this weekly fair value gap, and on the 4 hours. Now, after respecting it, we went higher. Now we respected this 4 hour fair value gap, right? So the drop became lower to this low, and there are equal lows over here. So the market came down, made equal lows, and then went back up. And this was the time for New York session. So I noticed that there is this 4 hour fair value gap, right? And this is the measurements of the 4 hour fair value gap. So let's go down to the lower time frame, 1 hour, right? So on the 1 hour, the fair value gap is from here to here, and look at how the market. This was the open of the New York session. How market respected this fair value gap, right? And how market is respecting the consequent encouragement of this 4 hour fair value gap. So market opened right here, as you can see below 930. Market opened, it went higher, it took this buy side from these highs, right? And it went higher, it respected this consequent encouragement and went lower. Like this. And then you can see that before 10 a.m., this is the first presented fair value gap we have over here. Market went higher, took the buy side, respecting the consequent encouragement of 4 hour fair value gap, and then it went lower. Then market went higher again, respecting the lower quadrant of the 4 hour fair value gap, and then went lower again. So after 10 a.m., I waited for my market to come below, like come to this fair value gap again. So I actually wanted to take a trade inside this fair value gap and make the market like make this fair value gap and invariant fair value gap in order to go down, right? But my auto go failed over here, and my stop was actually over here, right? So after entering this trade, this is the fair value gap below. This is the 30-minute fair value gap right here. So market goes up again, taking that high, and then instantly going lower, making this fair value gap and invariant. Look how the bodies are respecting everything, and then went lower, but this fair value gap also managed to struggle the market. And then market instantly went higher, taking my stop loss, everything. When actually market took this sell side liquidity, and the market was respecting this fair value gap, I set my stop loss to just above that high, and I did good. And market, I knew that market is gonna go off, and market did go off. It took everything, and look how the bodies are still respecting this 4 hour fair value gap, right? Market took all the buy side now, and then it started paying, oh bro, melting down, and took all the thing, bro. Like it then took my target, and even this. And since we are still respecting the consequent encouragement, I feel like we are gonna be bullish now if it's continue to respect this bullish fair value gap. And if we do respect this bullish fair value gap, then the next draw will be that high, or that high. Or if it's gonna be bullish for more, then that high, those highs eventually, they are the pretty solid buy side over there, right? So market went higher, taking all the highs, and also it respected the OTE level from that high to this low. Look how accurately the market is respecting this OTE level, right? This is the stuff. And yeah, and I have no idea why market would do that to me. It should have kept respecting this 4 hour fair value gap, which is still doing it, but it took my stop loss. So I called today. This was a very good loss, as my bias was really correct. It's just like my entry and the luck the market just gave me, and I'm just like 0.5% away from blowing my account, and I've been sharing my journey since I bought this account, so y'all should really check out my other videos and everything. And I took this trade live. I took this trade live today. Y'all can check it out too, for every process I did while taking this trade. I'm sure you guys will really learn something from that stream, and subscribe more for the live streams. And I'm gonna be live streaming later on in the incoming days too, so hit the bell icon to get notification. And hope you guys liked it and learned something from it. If you have any questions or any statements, please leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.